Three underage Karbi girls stranded in Kolkata. Beneficiaries disappointed over incomplete IAY houses in Rongkhang block. Good morning viewers and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. Three underage girls from Jenka who went to Kolkata in search of work have been stranded and are unable to come back home. The Jenka KSA branch had on Wednesday visited the girls' families to inquire about the matter. Lack of employment sources is a rising and alarming problem for the younger generation of the Karbis. Due to the lack of employment, three girls from Rongkuru Timung village under Bitung Rengtama constituency in West Karbi Anglong had also went Kolkata in search of job. The three girls, Nijora Timungpi, Anjuli Ingtipi and Kanam Ingtipi, never thought that they would have to face any such situation as they are presently facing. Being unable to bring home their children, the parents have sought the help of the local KSA. Parents told the KSA team in the presence of media persons that a Karbi lady by the name Sadhona Bepi took the three young girls along with her, and since then, the children were never seen. Sadhona took the girls and engaged them at Royal Circus in Kolkata. However, since the onset of the nationwide lockdown due to COVID-19, the circus had been closed and the girls have been workless since then. Now they are facing accommodation problems and have no money to return home. Apart from financial problems, the girls are also unknown of the means to come home as they are still very young and has no one to accompany them. The parents also told that Sadhona Bepi came back to Karbi Anglong after dropping them to Kolkata and is now shirking the responsibility to bring them back.
Asinilitum dak pini dak menarong butame Rongkuru tame itum nasonsi arjulong lo je ilitum aingjil pimaratum nasonsi ang kangkang dadampen non apor kisung nasonsi itum arjulong si pini dak Rongkuru arong tame itum nang humri lo asidak nang humri ting ben kinitum ningoy oy pigan athe kedam alang tum kedam moy ke itum kado kawita chinin de ponsan non kisung por bangke itum hanang kiba bangke dangeri lapen itum phan cherap ni bangke si ning duk pikalam tasin itum kado kawe phan same ba alongka preka ra phan same itum kachuni kang tongo bangke la pulo je itum akar bia khai itum ainjir pimaratum ang tang kandadam bate ang tan ke dam bangke intonang pobosi itum chuning wilo lapen ke jom tu dak pen ke pon ke wana tumhan same itum KSA song men name itum ay tumhan same so dak pen sai alang tum non ke bangin long si la sona var asai klemom na asona asai long si lang tum ton telang polong ni tum KSA ben same itum alang tum so dak pen sing sai poni tum lam chak ti pilo la sin itum la so atumon lang no same itum Karbi Anglong atoro same la so atumon kabidia ji phan lapen ke kado kabi same chirok tok pen la so sai bang la so kamang ke klem dia ji man si kado we da Karbi Anglong rat phan same chuni parpit lo
cicak dono ikut tapian wan fokus ini di rat pan cicak dono lo
yang si nali supi yang si wan pide hedet plote nali tempan kopi si lar kang sai long ing nali tem
nang sai anta nang sai ngok kopi mana itu nang kang sai ngok.
On their visit to the parents, the KSA served Sadhona Bepi a 1-week ultimatum to bring them back home or face action. The KSA team was led by branch president Bilton Ronghang and secretary Rukasim Tiso. Wiki-based report from Jenka for Karbi Anglong Live. Enraged over incomplete IAY house, some beneficiaries under Rongkhang block of West Karbi Anglong district have demolished the houses that was left incomplete by contractor. The beneficiaries have urged upon the government for construction of fresh IAY houses. Over 12 to 13 houses constructed under the Indira Awath Yojana scheme in Prilu area village have been abandoned midway by contractors. The beneficiaries whose houses were left incomplete include Bhagat Gaur, Basadera, Bud Gaur, Bisuru Gaur, Joy Singh Hanse, Amar Bey, Bejonthi, Rensing England, Borsing Inti, Vinod Teron, Hemari Rongphar and others.
Patang te de yo ba klem tu acting ta long le atheng tu ta long le thang ta long le hap bet lo ba patang te de lo mane ke theng et lo ni ai ta ta in long si wa et lo thang ta ro re ke atheng tu ta nang le le atang ka ta theng du long le lo theng tu theng du long le lo acting theng du long le lo a hem ta tang te
ta am mane khai ga lo plan ki wan ke dam aku man am to la
Patang nahi puma patang nahi puma.
tang lai ku si ku
Aku anda beli.
le hab da na
The beneficiaries, however, told Karbin Life that their houses were sanctioned at the time when Congress was in power. Regardless of which party is in power right now, the beneficiaries have urged upon the government for completion of their houses, whether fresh or the old ones. Mohanteron from Kironi for Karbin Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after the break. Welcome back after the break. The wooden bridge constructed on the road linking Kaibong Kro village and Virwar is on the verge of collapse. The bridge is located on the border of Mahamaya and Numati MAC constituencies. Here is a report. This bridge saves a lot of time for people traveling between Kaibong Kro village and Virwar. And this road acts a lifeline for the people here. For the last 5 years, there has been no repair done on this bridge, due to which the bridge has now become very unstable and shaky whenever vehicles passes on it.
Nilinon mat ke dol bangke Mahamaya la pen nomati la bangso constituency ahoy ka kakalong si dolo angbong chiting si dolo la pu bangke pu ar ipen bang pulote la pu bangke Kaibong Kro rong pen la pu di ba si pralo la ke Kaibong Kro rong ling road putapu la bangso ling road penangan karbiara atum ka chehlat nona bangke katora sumse thek ponlong lo thema non ke tempu da chehlat un ere mason sinang mandelo athema la bangso ling road same lifeline lo la si labang so dolong penangan ningkana prang repairing dolos tamin nona bangke railing ta be pilo penangan inut bahini la puson klo pachok pachak sa dolo non bangke lango pula bengan bangke adolong da kiru tu poling lang chuan pin lo la bangke hunara aroi lo la ke hunara aroi si labang so rum kili lo lang thelote hotpengke labang so thak same pondatiti la sele railing mukhan da la lang thesi pon la lo apen elong adim bangke phere memian pin lo jo Bing long life fan potlang poning chung lo si non bangke ningkring apor nang lo rong rup chujun chuku dopo rong ker dopo mo kangri kangkrang pen mo ke par hud mo kupini huni pholok ta haila si tong sekot la sarkar atum la bangso dolong repairing je phansi Karbin long life pen pachini pon lo pen langi thajo.
Locals use this bridge to reach the Denarong market to sell their farm products, go to other towns and bring home their essential commodities, and it saves a lot of time. Taking the main road is waste of time as it becomes very lengthy. Thus, locals have urged upon the KAAC to take up immediate and appropriate steps to repair or construct a new bridge at the earliest.
bangke nil tungke la dolong bang non amat la dolong bang napa mi pisen ang popo yalu nilitum la jongthong Virwar stami nilitum la hard bat ke dam stami la sotwar si chileng bom tempo puno adowela bike ba la ahum ke thegari pen stami la sipar bom lo la sinilitum no bang ke kisung hektik lo la bang so dolong henu daga joini
Bikram Teron from Denarong, Karbin Live. In a short news that has come to us from Volongkom Aji correspondent, the Disobai Peace Cup football tournament has kicked off on Wednesday. Local sports lovers are elated to witness football action after months of gap. Disobai is an emerging area under Singhason constituency. To boost the sports culture among the local youth, a football tournament is being organized in the Disobai Chandra Singh Terang High School playground. The tournament by the name Disobai Peace Cup kicked off on Wednesday evening under the initiative of KSA Disobai branch. The inauguration event of the tournament was chaired by Disobai KSA President Jirsong Timung and was attended by KSA Central Committee Vice President Buddha Terang, Organizing Secretary Raju Ingti and Cultural Secretary Barnabas Kiling. The tournament has a winner prize of Rs 20,000 and runners-up prize of Rs 10,000. The first match of the tournament was played between Disobai KSA branch and Singnar village team. The KSA team defeated Singnar village with a goal ratio of 6-2. Wilson Terang from Bolongkomaji for Karbing Long Live. And that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbing Long Live.